Hello and welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm your host for the day, Jin Chun. It's 4 p.m. on Wednesday, April 8th. If you are new to our show, welcome to COVID-19 Today, where we bring you live daily updates on how this global pandemic is impacting our city, our residents, and our businesses here in Torrance. I invite you to email us at our new email address, covid19today@torranceca.gov. Tell us how you or someone you know is demonstrating how Torrance cares. Over the last 24 hours, the number of laboratory cases confirmed in Los Angeles County increased by 620 more, bringing the total count to 7,530 and 198 deaths. Now here in Torrance, there are now 111 confirmed cases. Officials say a tough few weeks are still ahead of us. Continue to practice social distancing and stay at home if at all possible this week. And to clarify, the numbers in Torrance includes all Torrance zip codes, including addresses not within city boundaries. California Governor Gavin Newsom announced a new deal for the state to buy 200 million masks a month. Newsom says this was made possible thanks to the collaboration of nonprofits and a California company that will manufacture mostly N95 masks overseas and supply the needs of California residents and workers. Of the 200 million to get delivered each month, 150 million will be N95s and 50 million surgical masks. Since the start of the crisis, the state has distributed 41 million masks. Newsom said the state should receive its first shipment within a couple of weeks. A $500,000 employer assistance grant fund will soon become available to help small businesses impacted by COVID-19. The Los Angeles County Department of Workforce Development, Aging and Community Services, along with the Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors, announced individual businesses may be awarded up to $10,000 based on need. This is a state-funded program to help local businesses, nonprofits, and social enterprises that serve the communities most vulnerable. Some of the qualifications include having less than 50 full-time employees, under $2 million in annual revenue, demonstrating economic hardship as a result of COVID-19, and producing tax returns. The application portal opens tomorrow at 8 a.m. Applications will be processed on a first-come, first-served basis. You can go online to workforce.lacounty.gov. The city of Torrance is putting a hold on the possibility of having a temporary COVID-19 testing site at Del Amo Fashion Center. While staff had hoped to launch the testing site tomorrow, plans have been put on hold as the city, along with the county and mall officials, continue to work through some logistical matters. We will be sure to keep you updated on any new developments. Continuing efforts to help stop the spread of the coronavirus, the city's Public Works Department is working to modify traffic signals, programming them so that pedestrians won't have to push the cross button. These will automatically provide timing and displays for pedestrians to safely cross. So far, 7 of the 10 selected traffic signals have been reprogrammed, with the remaining 3 expected to be completed by tomorrow. The selected areas are near the local hospitals as well as facilities known to have high pedestrian activity. You can find the complete list of modified traffic locations on the city's temporary website designed to house all things COVID-19 related. Go to cityoftorranceca.com. The Torrance Fire Department gave us a preview of a new video they're working on regarding COVID-19 related information. The video thoroughly explains what this virus is, how to protect yourself, how to help flatten the curve, how to properly wear a mask, and how to protect yourself and others. There's also information on guidelines for returning to work if you've been exposed or infected. Let's take a quick look.
So what should you be looking for? The signs and symptoms of COVID-19, unfortunately, are very closely related to other diseases currently affecting the population. Signs and symptoms of COVID-19 are a fever of 100 degrees or more, cough, shortness of breath, or respiratory problems, a sore throat. A person may have any or all of these and can display a different severity of each.
That's Captain Kathy from the Torrance Fire Department. Once the video is ready to share, we plan to air it on our channel, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. The Torrance Certified Farmers Market had another successful turnout yesterday. Staff reported the market allowed no more than 35 people into the open-air shopping space at any given time. There were entrance and exit points. Shoppers were asked to distance at least 6 feet apart, not touch items unless they plan to buy it. Vendors were also spaced much further apart to social distance, and hand washing stations and hand sanitizer was made available. LA County health officials applauded the city's farmers market for all of their modifications in place, offering shoppers, vendors, and staff a safe and healthy environment. The next farmers market takes place on Saturday from 8 a.m. until 1 p.m. at Wilson Park. Torrance Public Libraries will soon close book drops at all library locations beginning this Friday and will remain closed until further notice. Library patrons are encouraged to enjoy the materials they have in their possession while the Safe Read Home order is in place. Fines will not be incurred during this time, and books on hold will remain on reserve. Library goers are reminded to take advantage of the great online resources the library has to offer on their website. Staff is available to answer questions over the phone Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. until 6 p.m., or you can email libraryreference@torranceca.gov. City of Torrance employees from various departments have stepped up, helping to successfully get the Torrance Cares to Go program off the ground. From general services to transit to planning and community services, just to name a few of the city departments involved, it's been all hands on deck to help organize and facilitate the Cares to Go program. Today, as we reach the halfway mark of the second week of successfully packaging and delivering now 550 bags of prepaid groceries to date, the city says by end of the week, groceries should become available for next day service. Currently, there are nearly 900 people signed up to use this service. The cost of each prepackaged bag is $55, and you'll find about 18 items ranging from meat or poultry to fresh produce and cleaning supplies. Sign-ups are still being accepted. Or if you don't need the service but know someone who could benefit, you can make a monetary donation. You can find all that information at cityoftorranceca.com/TC2go. Well, thanks to technology, last night's City Council meeting was able to take place through video conferencing, and we wanted to share some behind-the-scenes photos of some of our staff working not only in production to ensure the meeting is broadcast live, but staff manning the phones for call-ins, as well as staff standing by to assist in technical support. All around a great collaborative effort by city staff. Well, Torrance viewers got a first glimpse of what's to come on January 1st. At last night's council meeting, the City Council Citizen Development and Enrichment Committee approved the conceptual float design for the 2021 Tournament of Rose Parade. The theme for the 2021 parade is Dream, Believe, Achieve, which celebrates how education has the ability to open doors in people's minds and change lives. 24 designs were submitted from students from all 4 Torrance high schools. This is the 5th time the Torrance Rose Float Association has opened up the design contest to local students. Well, Torrance Bakery in downtown Torrance is offering more than just delicious baked goods now. They recently opened a mini pop-up grocery shop in the store, offering all the materials needed to bake your own favorite treats. Some of the grocery items include flour, sugar, peanut butter, raspberry jam, chocolate chips, milk, butter, fruit, eggs, and much, much more, including cookie decorating kits just in time for Easter. And at the end of each program, we'd like to share your story of how you and your family and friends and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Whether it's something fun to pass the time or something special you're doing in the community or something cool that you saw, please tell us about it. Today, we wanted to share this photo of togetherness and gratitude from the Torrance Stormtrooper Travel Ball team. A collage of members of the team holding a sign to say thank you to all of our essential workers, teachers, nurses, and members in the community. Now, they may not be able to play or hang out together right now, but this picture definitely shows how members of our Torrance community are coming together to show how they truly care. We love seeing these great photos and videos that are being sent to us. Please keep them coming so that we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Well, that's our update for COVID-19 Today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 4 p.m. If you have questions, please email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov and stay informed by signing up at torranceca.gov/Torrance Alerts and subscribe to the city's Facebook page. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.